Hey guys, so I hope everyone are doing good. Okay, so as you already read the title, okay, so we are making the videos on this concept where a lot of people will definitely get offended, which I don't care usually because as a mentor, as a counselor, as a teacher, it's my job to tell what people are doing wrong and to put my students in a correct path, what they are doing, because I meet a lot of students who I noticed a lot of wrong things what they are doing. Okay, so this is video is going to be based on that one only, and we will and if you are offending by this video, definitely you are going in the wrong path, definitely. Okay, so we will split this video in two parts. So one is why people are coming in this field and why failing, and other thing is how they can rectify, because everything can be rectified. Okay. So we'll discuss the first part. So before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can subscribe it. So because of your one subscribe, we can reach out to the more people, and they can also get to the knowledge what we are doing here. So you can subscribe it. So let's discuss the first part, why the people are coming here and why they are failing. So first thing is why people come here, why student after the graduation they want to come here is the first thing only they see is the high paying job. Data science is a high paying job. Someone senior told him, okay, I'm earning 20 LPA, 30 LPA, 40 LPA. Okay, so the students or the people get influenced by that money. Okay, if we go to this field also, we can earn this much money, but that person didn't told that how much effort you have to put inside this field. He never tell that one, and you never ask that one, because you only hear about the money. So that the one thing is there, influenced by the money, and you never have the passion. I see literally a lot of students who don't have single percentage of passion towards this field. I meet a lot of students, okay, so who just after the graduation who pursue into this course. Okay, so I went to go to data science because of the high paying job, and because of the buzzwords, fancy words, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. This looks fancy, right? These words to hear, to put it on the LinkedIn, and the tag, I'm a data scientist. But nobody understand, okay, how much effort we have to put inside this. Nobody ever understood that one. Nobody ever do the research before getting into this field. Okay, just influence. They just need an influence, that's it. So they come into this field without any passion. So and they stop doing this course and they drop out. I talked to many people who dropped in middle only. When I talk to them, I ask why, because you choose this course from the beginning, you want to become a data scientist, so now why you are leaving this? So they say that, sir, we can't, I'm not getting that much interest how I got at the beginning. And many people also say that, sir, it is a very tough one. Learning statistics, machine learning, it is a tough one. For that also people leave that one. Okay, so when you say that, okay, so I am leaving because of this thing, I am not interested and I'm failing hard, it is only because you influenced. You don't have a passion. You only get an interest when you have the passion. Okay, whatever role it is. Okay, so take a sales, you should have a passion inside that. Whenever you are working in sales, if you are software engineer, you should have a passion to do that one. Not only here, if you are electrician, you should have passionate about the electric stuffs. If you are making a pottery, okay, you should have the passionate about that thing. If you are not passionate about what you are doing, definitely you are not going to get interest in that field, and definitely you are not going to survive. However, you will get a job. I'm not telling you will not get a job. You will get a job, but you will not survive, because you can survive 1 or 2 years. After that, your interest will go. Okay, you just go to office and come, and at a month and you will get a salary. That's how your life is going to be whenever you do something without a passion. So always research what you want to do. Okay, so always, because you are because whenever you graduate from the college, okay, so you are choosing your career path in your entire life. You are spending a lot of years into this path, so don't choose the wrong path. Again you will waste in some different path, and again you will start from the beginning from somewhere else. Okay? So that, never do that one. So get a mentor, so who can guide you. So if you know any mentor, or you can connect with me also on the LinkedIn. Okay, I can put a ID in the chat box. You can connect and you can get a guidance if you don't know about what you want to do, how you can pursue your career. Okay, so we can have a call on, we can have a chat on that one. So after that, so another thing is the pressure. The pressure in the sense, because recently I'm talking with one of my student. Okay, so when I called her for the counseling, okay, she suddenly started crying. Asked why, because she took the data science course. Asked, okay, you took this course, what happened? So she started saying that, okay, so I literally can't take it anymore of about this complexity of this field. I have to learn a lot, I have to put a lot of effort, I literally can't able to do this thing. I asked, you took this course, right? At the beginning, it's your choice, right? But she said that, okay, it's not my choice. My brother told me to do this thing. He told that, okay, do this field. It is a very demanding field right now in the market. However, she is not interested, but she took the course and middle she dropped off. Actually, I said her to drop off, okay, because she's interested in the UI UX. I dropped her off, okay, and I put on her in different course actually. So now she's really happy because that is her passion. UX UI UX is her passion, but she is in a wrong path at that time. But she is a very happy person. Okay, so again you're pressurized by someone, because from childhood you are being pressurized. Parents tell that, okay, take the science, take the engineering, take the doctor. Okay, you have to become a doctor, you have to become an engineer. So after the engineering you have the power to choose the course. So again you are pressurized by someone and going again in the wrong path, and again wasting the time, and after that again you are starting the career from the beginning. Okay, so that's why you should always have a mentor who can guide you in a correct path. Okay, do your own research whenever you want to go here. Do your research, is it suitable for me? So whenever, the best advice from me is, okay, how you want to choose your career is, okay, so assume whenever students come to me, okay, so they ask, so what I have to do? Software engineering, there's data is science is there, data engineering is there, DevOps is there. Okay, which one I have to choose? Because at that time they don't know what they have to take, and I can't also tell that, okay, take this one only, because I never put them on this field, because it's not my interest. They are going to do this in their entire life. Okay, so I can guide them. I never tell them do this thing, take this course. Okay, so what I tell is, how I guide is, okay, whenever you have a lot of options, okay, some 2-3 options you have, so give time for those 3-4 things. Okay, DevOps, data engineering, data science, or software engineering. Give some times for all these things, some 3-4 days, 3-4 days for this, 3-4 days for this, 3-4 days for this, so on. So what happens is, when you give time like this, at specific domain you don't care about the time whenever you are learning that one. Okay, in which domain you don't care about the time when you are learning, that is the best suitable course for you, that is best suitable domain for you. Otherwise what happens, if you are passionate about the DevOps and you are learning about the data scientist, you always see the time. Okay, how much time? Okay, 15 minutes, 30 minutes I learned. Okay, now I have to take a rest again. So if you do that thing, okay, so think, okay, and stop it. It's not for you. And when you are doing the DevOps, you literally don't even care about the time. Okay, you just getting deep into this, getting learning, okay, new stuff. That thing literally you will feel fun when you are learning that. Okay, reading should be fun, learning should be fun, working should be fun. Otherwise, it's just a pressurized. Okay, just a frustration. Okay, so give time for all these things. When you have a lot of different things to choose, and after that you can, if something is where you are finding more interest, you can go to that field. I always tell them, okay, so give time for all these things, and in which domain you don't care about the time, and pursue in that, whatever it is. Okay, money doesn't matter over there, only matter is your happiness. So I can, we can give you 1 crore package, 2 crore package, and put in a where you literally don't have interest, you will not survive. Because it's just like, if people tell that, okay, you should be happy when every Monday morning whenever you are going office, you should not feel that, okay, again Monday, are yaar, Monday, again Monday comes here, okay, again I have to go to the office, again I have to do the same work. No, never. Okay, so don't worry about the package and never think about the package. Just, if it is giving you happiness, just be happy with that one. Okay, so that's the one thing is there. And how we can rectify all these things, actually, which is about second part, how we can rectify these things. First thing is, okay, so whenever I meet any students, what they miss is the fundamentals of the data field, whether it's a data science or data engineering. The fundamentals of the data field is database. Okay, literally no one concentrate on the database. They just think that data science is all about the machine learning, AI, deep learning. They think this one only, okay, only these things. They think that, okay, data science means AI, data science means machine learning, deep learning. Nobody talks about the data science, database, sorry. If I ask simple queries also, they will struggle to solve that. Simple concept also I ask, very basic if I ask also, they will struggle to answer, because they are only concentrating on that part. Because data, okay, if you split the word data science, okay, first comes the data. So where the data is, from where you are getting the data, database. And if you, for your model, for your ML model, you need a data, and if you don't know how to get the data, then what is the use building that model? That model will never work, right? So learn the database. People are missing, because whenever I am taking any interviews, I simply reject them if they don't know about the database, seriously. Okay, because they come and start showing the projects. Sir, I done the project on this thing, then I done the projects on AI, vision, artificial into machine learning, whatever it is. I ask about the database, what is, where is the database here? They never implement the database part inside their projects. What they just do is they just take the data sets from the Kaggle, and they put it in a Jupyter notebook, put a pandas CSV, whatever read CSV, and put a fill any, and after that put some random machine learning model over there, and get the accuracy 0.9 or whatever. After that they feel happy, okay, I got this. And they never uh, learn, okay, how these models are working, they never got to know that, and they never implemented this database inside their project. Okay? So database is a fundamental building block for the entire whatever things, complex things you are learning. It is like you are building a apartment, big apartment, and if the base is not strong, definitely it will not survive, it will collapse. That's how it is. Because what I am telling is, in the interviews also, whenever the interviews happen, two interview round will be there most in many companies. So always first round is going to be on the Python and the database. They never ask you complex stuff in the first round. The candidate has ready with his projects, ML projects, deep learning projects, but he never worked on the database. Man, your projects are going to help in a second round, because always they ask the complex these things in the second round. First round is going to be on the database. In many interviews, many companies, first round is going to be on the Python and the database. So if you haven't cleared the first round, then what is the use of your projects? What is the use of your all those knowledge complex thing? Okay, if you don't know about the basic. So that's why work on the database, and work on the database. That's what I tell to all the students. There's the one thing is there. Okay, and the other thing is, give it a time. Okay, so give it a time for this field. It asks you lot of time. Okay, it asks you lot of time from you. Because why I'm telling to give it a time is because I remember one day I'm talking to one of my student. Okay, he told that, okay sir, I'm sir, within a 3-4 months I have to get the job. I have to learn all these things. Okay, so within 3 months he was literally in a hurry. I said him, stop what you're doing. Okay, give it a time. Okay, give it a time. See, this data science field is not about you can learn this in 6 months, in 1 year. Okay, so it takes years to get a job and decades to master it. Within a 6 month you literally will not learn everything. Okay, remember this. Whatever the course you take, okay, they will introduce you what you have to do, but after that you have to learn again. Okay, it will not a ending story over there only for the 6 months, only for 4 months. Okay, you have to give a lot of time for it. You have to understand, you have to give a time, you have to take a model, how it is working. You have to take statistics model, okay, machine learning model, how it is working, this mathematical equation, how it is working in a statistics. Okay, this XGBoost, how it is working, linear regression, how it is working. Okay, give a time for that one, because it takes a decade to master that data science field, that field entirely. Okay, however you will get a job within a year. Okay, to master it take a lot of time. And if I give an example of take a database. Okay, database literally is a never ending story. If you put a 10 years 20 years into the database only, then also you will miss lot of topics in the database, because it is kind of a never ending story. Database is, you have to put a lot of time inside that field. Okay, so always give a time, never set the time frame. I will tell you what happens when you set a time frame is, when you set a time frame for the 5 months, you will be in a very hurry. You will be in a like, okay, within a 6 month I have to finish this. So when you will be in a hurry, you miss a lot of things over there. If I give you 5 months, okay, you have to complete all these things, then because data science, lot of different technologies are there, you have to learn a lot of different things. If you set a time frame over there, so you will only learn the high level things. Okay, what is this, you will never know how is this, how it come here, how the accuracy is 0.9. okay, you will never get to know that one. Okay, so always give a time for that one. So again the next thing is, build your profile. Okay, I see now nobody build the profile because they do the projects and put it in their computer. Showcase it when you apply for a job on the LinkedIn. Showcase it, because when a recruiter wants to hire you, he see your profile, and if you don't have anything over there, if your profile is empty, you will never get to know that, okay, candidate, is he contributing something to that field, is he working on that field, is he showcasing something, he is doing something over that in that field. No, he will not that, because your profile is completely empty. So that's why create a project, put it on a LinkedIn, showcase it, give a demo of that one. Okay, write a blogs. Okay, so showcase it. Okay, whenever the recruiter comes there inside your profile, so he get to know, yeah, candidate is working on something. Okay, candidate is contributing here. So then they also get interest in the candidate, then they can continue with the interview process. Otherwise it's a just application. Okay, so one role is there, some 10-20,000 people will apply. Okay, so whom he should select? You should be stand out from someone, right? Then only you will be selected. That's how it is. Okay, so always showcase your skills on the LinkedIn. Okay, it's a very powerful app. Okay, a powerful platform. Okay, where you can build your career very good. Okay, believe me, very good. Okay, and connect with people, okay, who are already in a data science. Connect with them, talk to them. Okay, because empire can't be built with a single person, remember this thing. Okay, so build a community. Okay, and be in a community, be in the data science community, talk about that thing. Okay, so and you can teach somebody also. Okay, so this is the best part. Okay, so whenever you got something, whenever you got something which others don't know, okay, then you can write a blog on that one, you can publish it, you can write it on LinkedIn. Okay, so about this thing, okay, I know this things, the person who don't know about that thing, he also started commenting, oh okay, this is real helpful. After that you can connect, after that you can discuss more ideas with them. Okay, so showcase it and spread your knowledge. Okay, write a blogs if you know something who other people don't know. Okay, so all these things is there. And as I told, get a mentorship. Okay, so that's the best part. And if you are still don't sure about what you want to do, you get a mentorship. You can connect with me also. Okay, so on the LinkedIn, so we can have a chat. Okay, so on you can give the, you can talk about the path where you want to go. Okay, so we can discuss about all these things. Okay, so again I will tell you, come here with a passion. Okay, so if you don't have a passion, never come into this field. Okay, you will not going to survive. Okay, so it may be hard for someone to listen this thing, but how this is what the truth is. Okay, so because I don't want you to spend again some 6 months, again you fail, again you start in a different field. Okay, so because time is very important, and today's engineers should not waste their time. Okay, so yeah, so if you found it something knowledgeable, and if you found something out from it, okay, so don't forget to subscribe it. As I told, with your one subscribe we can reach out to more people, we can deliver this to the more people. Okay, so who are also, because of you, they can be in a correct path. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, thank you.